So we're gonna get in here, we're gonna get up in here, and we're gonna pop this pin out, which it's pretty much just a rubber deal. So we're just gonna kind of push it with our thumbnail here, push upwards, and we should be able to pop it out of there. So I ended up taking a pair of needle nose and just getting right under here and popping it right up. Just be careful that you don't hit your paint anywhere around in here. And then you're just going to unthread the gas cap like you would normally and take it out of here. And then that's the little piece we're going to save. And then we have our new gas cap right here with the part number from Mercedes-Benz, if you want to order it from there. There is cheaper ones. This one was $54, but for this deal, I prefer a factory gas cap so that we don't have any leaking issues or any equipment problems, since like anytime you buy aftermarket parts that can be a problem. So just gonna go with these. You can just buy the rubber gasket, but this is a really old fuel cap, so I just figured it was better to get a new one. But you can just buy the O-ring as well. And as you can see, that O-ring is pretty worn. It's very compressed compared to this one. So slide this in here. That one actually already feels like it makes a better seal. And we're gonna take our little rubber plug here. We can do this one-handed. And we're just going to pop that back into place. It's a little bit stiff. Actually, I'll just take my needle nose and we'll try to grab the bottom here. There we go. You can see it grabbed the bottom and just pulled it right into place. So that's how you guys replace your fuel cap on your C230 or your C-Class Mercedes, and probably most Mercedes in general. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Have a good day, y'all.